Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to talk about Jumia. For those of you who don't know what Jumia is, it's an e-commerce platform similar to Amazon, except it's in Africa. It's similar to Amazon in the aspect that there's suppliers and vendors on the platform. They set up shop similar to how they would in person, except they set up shop on Jumia. Besides being able to buy clothing and things of that nature, you also have the freedom to pay for bills. You could pay utilities, you could pay TV, internet. You have access to a ton of different services on their website, and it's conveniently located in one place. The CEO of Jumia, Sacha Poinanek, I'm not sure how to say his last name, had to refute and deny allegations made by Citron Research. They made a short seller report against Jumia, and it was kind of a big deal last year. If we fast forward to October of this year, we actually get a change of mind by Citron Research. Jumia short seller Andrew Left changed his mind, now buying shares. And for those of you who don't know who Andrew Left is, he's the guy who created Citron Research. Andrew Left, the short seller who drove down Jumia's share price in 2019, has seen the light and is now buying the shares. I am positive on their outlook now that much of the fraud seems to be behind them. Nigeria obviously will not be the only country in the world not to embrace e-commerce. He then shares he's long on Jumia for a price target of $50, and he disclosed that he was going to be sharing the upgraded report. Jumia, the generational buy, investors listen, well. I'm going to leave a link for you guys to check out this report. This isn't the video for that. I really wanted to just jump to their most recent quarterly earnings and showing you what the things that have improved in Jumia are. So we're looking at Jumia's press release for the third quarter, and the highlights are as follows. Gross merchandise value was $187.3 million, down 28% year over year. Gross profit reached $23.2 million, a year-over-year increase of 22%. Gross profit after fulfillment expense reached $6.6 million, compared to a loss of $1.7 million in the third quarter of 2019. Their operating losses reached a 3-year low of $28 million. This is a decrease by 49% year-over-year. And the Jumia Pay TPV, or total portfolio value, was 48 million euros, a year-over-year increase of 50%. And to summarize, the co-CEOs of Jumia stated, "We are making significant progress on our path to profitability and adjusted EBITDA loss in the third quarter of 2020, decreasing by 50% year over year. We continue to position Jumia as the destination of choice for brands in Africa and onboarded over 60 brands on the platform during the quarter. To drive marketing cost efficiencies, we focus on developing smart algorithms to enhance user experience and ultimately conversion rates. We are enhancing our product sorting algorithm to improve user experience and product discovery. We have developed an AI-powered algorithm using learning to rank technique that leverages user signals, clicks, add to carts, orders, etc., and product information to optimize product ranking on category and search results pages. Pilots of the algorithm are showing improved conversion rate from search and navigation to add to cart by more than 5%. So the more data that Jumia starts to collect, the more efficient that their AI is going to become, and I think this is going to drive sales up even more as time goes on. So as part of offering their increased range of financial services, they're currently piloting in Egypt a prepaid physical and virtual card in partnership with MasterCard and ADIB, a leading bank in the Middle East and North Africa region. So if you look at all the points in this video, we can kind of start to put things together to make a basis that Jumia is trying to improve their service and make a compelling product for Africa. They want to make it easy to use, they want to make it robust so everyone can use it, and they want to have a large variety of services available so that way they can capture as much of the African market as possible. I stumbled upon this answer on Quora, which is just a website where people ask questions and get quick answers. She says Africa is facing the problem of having no addresses, which makes a logistics nightmare. The other problem is payment collection, as Africans have little access to banking and or payment systems and prefer to pay in cash on delivery. Although internet users in Africa now outnumber America's population, hopes of leaping into the world of same-day delivery are colliding with the lack of street signs, dominance of cash, and threat of armed robbery and fear of Chinese knockoffs. So looking at Jumia as an investment currently, the market that Citron Research says that's possible for Jumia is around $75 billion by 2025. And currently we're looking at about $1.5 billion in market cap of Jumia. And I think after 2025, this number is only going to go up. The population in Africa is of course growing. Overall, I think the potential e-commerce market for Africa is pretty much neglected. And whenever the time comes that Jumia does report a profitable quarter, I think it's going to be a blowout. And since the recording of this video, Jumia stock has surged around 20% this week. So at $20 a share, I really don't think it matters if you buy it at $17 or $18. This is a long-term stock. We're not going to see anything major materialize for at least the next 2 to 5 years. I think they can get their first profitable quarter in maybe Q2 of next year. Hopefully this whole CV-19 thing is a little bit subsided by then. Overall, I think Jumia is looking like a very good company to invest in. If you guys want to go to my Patreon and shoot me a message, I'll let you know what my 5 favorite stocks are to invest in right now. It is going to be a paid item though if I do put it on my Patreon. But if you shoot me a message, I will tell you. So just shoot me a message. Overall, I think Jumia is an excellent company to own, and I currently own shares in Jumia as well. That's it for today. If you liked what you're watching, go ahead and hit that like button, and you should even consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit the bell notification to get notified when I make videos just like this one. But anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.